Hi there everyone, welcome back to the Chambers Tutoring YouTube channel. Our last guide, you would have seen that I took you through how to develop a point in French and what you can add to sort of set that up. This time we're going to be looking at adverbs, something fairly easy to add into your speaking but will make it sound a lot better. So we'll start with a general English grammar point here. The adverbs are used to add something to a verb, so they describe how something is done. So for example, the dog quickly jumped over the fence. Quickly, in this case, is the adverb. It described how the dog jumped over the fence. So it adds that extra information. So in French, these adverbs are very easy to learn, but they make you sound a lot more knowledgeable of the language if you can use them correctly. A lot of French adverbs sound very similar to the English equivalents, and almost all of them have the same ending, M-E-N-T. Pronounced the same as mon, as if you were saying mon livre, my book. It's still mon, it's just spelled differently. The following slide contains a list of adverbs you may want to use along with their English translations, and you may just notice some similarities between the French and the English. So here we are, the list of French adverbs ending in MENT. This is by no means all of them, but these are the most common ones. Normally is normalement, finalement, finally, facilement, easily, particulièrement, bit of a mouthful, but that's particularly or in particular. Complètement, completely, rarement, rarely, rapidement, quickly, lentement, slowly, vraiment, truly, naturellement, naturally, and premièrement, firstly. So some of them are basically identical to the English. You see normalement, normally, finalement, finally, complètement, completely, rarement, rarely. You see some things that are very close, like rapidement. It's not rapidly, it translates to quickly, but you can still make that connection. And, you know, premièrement meaning firstly. Well, premier usually means first. So there are a lot of similarities there as well. Not every adverb in French ends in MENT, however, and some of them you may have not even realised were adverbs before, but they can be used as them. So parfois, meaning sometimes, toujours, always, ne jamais, you put the verb in the middle, never, très, very, and you can use it to intensify an adverb as well. Assez, quite or kind of, which can add sort of vagueness to the adverb. Maintenant, now or currently. Tard, late. Tôt, early. Trop, too much or too. And there are others, but those are the most common ones. And the impact of adverbs is huge. So a sentence without adverbs, for example, here is Je voyage en train au lieu de prendre l'autobus. I travel by train instead of taking the bus. But when you add the adverbs in, Je voyage assez rapidement en train au lieu d'aller lentement en autobus. I travel quite quickly by train instead of going slowly by bus. So it's added a lot more information there, in that you've made the point that the train is a lot faster than the bus. So a lot more information can be added with adverbs, and now that you know that, you can use them in your own French as well. So thanks for watching this guide. With New Year sort of out of the way, we'll be looking to get back to our one video every week to 2 weeks schedule. I know that so far it is only French, but these are the guides which I most look forward to starting because French is my sort of specialty subject. But we will be looking to upload more often in 2021 and beyond. So what can you do in the meantime? Well, you can check out our social media accounts. The links to those are in the description, along with the link to our website. So do feel free to check those out. Also, we uploaded a guide last month about how to develop a point in French, and if you haven't seen that one, it could be of great use to you. So do check that out. And if you don't want to miss any future videos, you might want to drop Chambers Tutoring a subscribe as well. And any feedback on these videos is very much appreciated. But with that, that ends today's lesson. So until next time, au revoir.